7 PTCs working for the extension of the Airbus plant in Hamburg, Germany. The extension of the EADS Airbus plant in Hamburg, Germany is the largest pile driving job in Europe. Extensive sheet piling in the present built-up area will consolidate the already existing dikes from potential floods. The choice of the driving equipment went to a Vibrodriver PTC 15HFVS equipped with a multiplex 2x 55 tons clamping head, mounted free hanging on a crawler crane. A PTC 350 power pack of 246 kilowatts supplied the hydraulic power. The presence of construction workshops near the job site had to be taken into account for the choice of the driving technique. The HFV models are particularly well adapted to work in built-up areas. 700 mm, 20 meter long double sheet piles Hirsch 703K are driven into the ground. A 600-meter combined sheet pile wall will be built and will protect this area from the navigable River Elbe. The combined sheet pile wall consists of 26-meter-long welded doubled H-beams, 30-meter raked H-beams. Near the existing plant, a 140-hectare reclamation area will be dried up and consolidated to house the future workshops for the future A380. 64,000 sand columns of a length between 8 and 14 meters will be driven in a shallow water swampy area of the Elbe River, which crosses the city of Hamburg. These 800 millimeter diameter sand columns will be part of the soil treatment. Sophisticated vacuum-based techniques will be used for the soil treatment and more than 13 million cubic meters of sand dumped in the zone. The choice of the driving equipment went to various PTC Vibrodrivers, among which were a number of 30 HFVs equipped with duplex 2x 120 tons clamping heads and a 60 HFVS equipped with a duplex 2x 150 tons clamping head. Most of the vibrators are mounted on a leader on track-mounted crawler cranes, the power pack being mounted at the back of the crane in place of the counterweight. These units are working on floating pontoons. The construction of the sand columns is done by the following technique. One, the 800 millimeter diameter and 14 meter long closed-end casings are driven by the Vibrodrivers into the ground. 2. A hopper with a geotextile bag is brought onto the casing and filled with sand. Three, the bottom of the casing is opened and the casing is extracted while being vibrated. Soil, very heterogeneous, consisting of peat and clay layers laid down by the Elbe River. Job 1 and 2 have been awarded to a joint venture of companies, among which are ERKE, Hertz, Forst and Tagu. Job 3 has been awarded to F&Z and Hochtief.